Y'all, look at this. Out here in West Virginia. I don't know if the camera's picking up all this snow, but it's coming down out here. We're in a rest stop right now. Look at this, all around. Look at the trees, like a postcard. Yep. Look at that. West Virginia. I just want to show y'all me. This is just from taking the trash. And look at me covered already. I'm about to be a snowman. All right, let me get this hound dog. Let her go pee pee, poo poo. And we're gonna attempt to head on into DC. Traffic seems to be moving. Got my man over there, he cooking. They got a snow plow. So we might be all right. All right, y'all gotta go. So they look like they might be doing about 45. So that's the path we're gonna be on. Right there. I know we're gonna be safe. So let's get it.